Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Update iOS and free up some local space so transfers won't stall. Next, install and open your chosen cloud app and sign in. Use your Apple ID for iCloud or your account for other providers. Once signed in, enable app permissions for photos and files so uploads can run in background. This prevents repeated prompts. Make sure Wi-Fi is active to avoid mobile data charges, and enable automatic backups if you want hands-off syncing. Now focus on execution. Open the Cloud app and pick Upload or Backup to move photos, videos, and documents into your cloud. Create clear folders and name them consistently so retrieval is fast, tags or starred item speed search. Adjust upload quality and decide if uploads over cellular are allowed to control data use. Once files are in cloud folders, verify they open in the app and sync across devices. If not, force sync or refresh the app to push changes through. Finish by sharing and restoring. Generate share links with view or edit permissions, and test a link to confirm access. For device transitions or accidental deletions, use the Cloud app's restore or recently deleted folder within the retention period to recover files. If sync or uploads fail, first check Wi-Fi and mobile data settings, then confirm app permissions for photos and files and that your account storage isn't full. If needed, sign out and sign back in to reinitialize syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.